Hi friends, today we are going to see 6th standard mathematics term 1 chapter 1 numbers. Today we are going to see order of operations. The rule of order of operations equal to bit mass. First we will find the expansion for the bit mass. B stands for bracket, I stands for indices, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Now we are going to solve the given sum using this given rule. Example 1.9. Simplify 24 plus 2 into 8 divided by 2 plus 1. First we will write the rule. Bracket, indices, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Now we are going to solve the given question using in this order. So the question 24 plus 2 into 8 divided by 2 plus 1. First, in the given question, check whether bracket is present. No. Now, division is present. So, we are going to perform the division operation first. 24 plus 2 into 8 divided by 2 is 4 plus 1. After division, again we are going to check which operation need to be performed first. Now it is multiplication. So 24 plus 2 into 4 is 8 plus 1. Now we are going to add the 24 plus 8 is 32 plus 1. We got the final answer as 32 plus 1 is 33. Sum addition, the question is given with slight difference, that is 24 plus 2 into 8 divided by 2 minus 1. So again we are going to solve the sum. First we are going to perform the division operation. 24 plus 2 into 8 divided by 2 is 4 minus 1. Again we are going to solve the multiplication operation. 24 plus 2 into 4 is 8 minus 1. Now we are going to perform the addition operation. 24 plus 8 is 32 minus 1. Next it is subtraction operation, that is 32 minus 1 is 31. Example 1.10. Simplify 20 plus bracket 8 into 2 plus curly braces 6 into 3 bar minus 10 divided by 5 curly braces close and square bracket close. Now we are going to write the rule. Bracket, indices, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. In the given question, first we are going to solve the inner bracket first, that is the curly braces first. Now inside the curly braces, first we are going to solve 6 into 3 bar, that is 20 plus bracket 8 into 2 plus curly braces 6 into 3 is 18. Minus 10 divided by 5 curly braces bracket. Again we are going to solve the curly braces first. Now we are going to perform the division operation. 20 plus bracket 8 into 2 plus bracket 18 minus 10 divided by 5 is 2 curly braces and square bracket. Again 20 plus 8 into 2 plus 18 minus 2 is 16. square bracket closed. Now we are going to perform the multiplication operation. 20 plus bracket 8 into 2 is 16 plus 16 bracket closed. 20 plus 16 plus 16 is 32. Now we are going to add 20 plus 32. We get the answer as 52. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and press the subscribe and bell icon to get more updates from my channel. Thank you.